I'm 12 years old and I am from India. Yes, I have heard about climate change. But first of all, climate is a gradually occurring change in the temperature over a vast area for a long period of time. Unlike temperature, climate can be a little harder to predict as it is affected from the Earth's revolution. As we know it, in its revolutionary orbit, the Earth reaches 2 points: the upper position, which is farthest from the Sun, and the perigee position, which is closest to the Sun. Some other factors that affect climate can be regional positioning and sunlight. Let's take the example of the equatorial region. The equatorial region has a very hot climate as the sunlight reaches it the most. However, climate system is a part of nature's order. Humanity has left no step in disrupting it too. Because of increased pollution, presence of hazardous gases in the air, and factories and industrial interferences, the Earth's atmospheres have heated a lot. Because of carbon dioxide, as we know it, it absorbs a lot of heat which is emitted from industries and factories. And because of this, the Earth's climate has risen. And because of the risen climate, the process of evaporation also increases. This results in heavy rains, or in some cases, the land gets heated so much that the rain droplets evaporate before even touching the ground, which is then followed by heavier and colder winters. As we know it, the climate change has affected our north and south pole the most, as the ice melts rapidly and causes the sea level to rise higher and higher. The water's anomalous behavior also gives part to this phenomena. Because water increases as it freezes, it causes to form more ice and more melting. Nature has still found a way to bring balance and shall be fruitful if humans do not interrupt. Yet, if humans want to help, they must make sure that they cause less pollution, and also that industries must make sure that they take care of the environment that they live in, and they must promote eco-friendly products. Individuals must make sure that they find more eco-friendly manners of living and must make sure that they are living in a pollution-free society. We must ensure and take care of the animals around us and must realize that God has given us brain power for a reason.